Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about how to divide polynomials or dividing polynomials. So first, let's review on how to divide an integer variable with variable and exponent. So we have here 4x squared divided by 2x is equals to 2x. So the 4x squared here ay yung tinatawag nating dividend. And the 2x here is what we call divisor. At yung 2x natin or yung answer na 2x natin ay yung tinatawag nating quotient. So, ito yung steps kung paano dinivide or paano nakuha yung 2x dito. First, dinivide muna natin yung numbers. We have 4 here divided by 2 here is equal to 2. Kaya nakuha natin yung 2. Sa variables at exponent naman, kapag nagdi-divide ka, isasubtract mo yung exponent ng variable. We have 2 or squared na exponent here sa 4x squared at 1 na exponent kay x dito. Kaya 2 minus 1 is equals to x raised to 1 or x na lang. Kaya nakuha natin yung 2x. Another example, we have y raised to 8 divided by y raised to 5 is equals to y cubed. So y raised to 8, isubtract mo yung 5, minus 5 is equals to y cubed. So we have here x raised to 5 plus 2x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed minus 8x squared minus 2x plus 18 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. So yung steps ng pag-divide ng polynomials, first, yung ating first term dito, which is x raised to 5, at yung first term ng ating divisor, which is x squared, ay i-divide natin. X raised to 5 divided by x squared is equals to x cubed. At yung quotient na x cubed natin dito, ay i-multiply natin sa bawat term ng ating divisor. So we have here x cubed times x squared, we have x raised to 5. X cubed times negative 3x is equals to negative 3x raised to 4. X cubed times 2, we have positive 2x cubed. Next is isasubtract natin sila. At yung subtrahend natin dito, ang subtrahend natin dito ay mag-iiba ng sign. Yung x raised to 5 natin ay magiging negative. Negative 3x raised to 4 ay magiging positive 3x raised to 4. At yung positive 2x cubed natin ay magna-negative 2x cubed tayo. Then, change the operation sign. Yung minus natin or yung subtraction natin ay magiging addition or plus. So we have here x raised to 5 plus negative x raised to 5 is equals to 0. So hindi na natin siya isusulat dito. Next, we have 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 4 is equals to 5x raised to 4. Negative 3x cubed plus negative 2x cubed is equals to negative 2x cubed. Negative 5 2x cubed. Next is i-bring down natin yung next term, which is negative 8x squared. So, pwede na ulit tayo mag-divide. We have here 5x raised to 4 divided by x cubed is equals to positive 5x squared. Next, i-multiply natin yung 5x squared sa lahat ng term ng ating divisor. We have 5x squared times x squared is equals to 5x raised to 4. 5x squared times negative 3x, we have negative 15x cubed. 5x squared times positive 2 is equals to 10x squared. Next is isasubtract natin sila at i-change yung signs ng ating subtrahend. We have 5x raised to 4 ay magiging negative 5x raised to 4. Negative 5x cubed ay magiging positive 15x cubed. At yung 10x squared ay magiging negative 10x squared. At yung operation sign natin ay mag-iiba. Magiging plus. 5x raised to 4 plus negative 5x raised to 4 is equals to 0. Negative 5x cubed plus positive 15x cubed ay magiging 10x cubed. Positive 10x cubed. Negative 8x squared plus negative 10x squared, we have negative 18x squared. At if we bring down yung next term, which is negative 2x. 10x cubed divided by x squared is equals to 10x. 10x times x squared is equals to 10x cubed. 10x times negative 3x is equals to negative 15x squared, or negative 30x squared rather. 10x times 2 is equals to positive 20x. Isasubtract natin at i-change yung signs ng ating subtrahend. 10x cubed will become negative 10x cubed. Negative 30x squared will become positive 30x squared. Positive 20x will become negative 20x. At yung operation sign natin, the operation sign will become addition or plus. 10x cubed plus negative 10x cubed is equals to 0. Negative 18x squared plus positive 30x squared is equals to positive 12x squared. Negative 2x plus negative 20x is equals to negative 22x. At if we bring down natin yung last term or yung next term, which is positive 18. So ito na yung last term natin. So 12x squared divided by x squared is equals to positive 12. 12 times x squared is equals to 12x squared. 12 times negative 3x is equals to negative 36x. And 12 plus 2 is equals to positive 24. Then, let's subtract and change the signs of the subtrahend. 12x squared will become negative 12x squared. Negative 36x will become positive 36x. Positive 24 will become negative 24, and change the sign of the change the operation sign. It will become addition. 12x squared plus negative 12x squared is equals to 0. Negative 22x plus positive 36 will become 14x. Positive 18 plus negative 24 is equals to negative 6. At kung mas mababa yung exponent ng ating dividend kaysa sa ating divisor, sa first term ng ating divisor, hindi na natin siya pwedeng ma-divide. So, ito yung quotient natin at ito yung ating remainder. So, ang pagsulat ng final answer natin is yung ating quotient, which is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 10x plus 12 plus the remainder, which is 14x minus 6 over the divisor, which is x squared minus 3x plus 2. So this will be our final answer. So to know if our final answer is correct, let's check. So ito yung way or ito yung process ng pag-check ng ating answer. So, yung final answer natin, ito yung ating quotient kanina, the remainder and the divisor. So, yung gagawin natin dito, yung ating quotient at yung ating denominator, ay i-multiply natin. Plus, yung ating remainder, which is 14x minus 6. So, first, let's multiply. X cubed times x squared is equals to x raised to 5. X cubed times negative 3x is equals to negative 3x raised to 4. X cubed times 2 is equals to 2x cubed. 5x squared times x squared is equals to 5x raised to 4. 5x squared times negative 3x is equals to negative 15x cubed. 5x squared times 2 is equals to positive 10x squared. 10x plus x squared is equals to 10x cubed. 10x times negative 3x is equals to negative 30x squared. 10x plus 2 is equals to positive 20x. 12 times x squared is equals to 12x squared. 12 times negative 3x is equals to negative 36x. 12 times 2 is equals to 24 plus the 14x minus 6. So the next step is let's combine the like terms. We have x raised to 5. Kapag wala siyang like terms or wala siyang kapareha, let's write the x raised to 5. Next, we have negative 3x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4 is equals to positive 2x raised to 4. Next, 2x cubed plus negative 15x cubed is equal to negative 13x cubed. Negative 13x cubed plus 10x cubed is equals to negative 3x cubed. Next, 10x squared plus negative 30x squared is equals to negative 20x squared. Negative 20x squared plus positive 12x squared is equals to negative 8x squared. Next is the 20x plus negative 36x is equals to negative 16x. Negative 16x plus 14x is equals to negative 2x. And 24 plus negative 6 is equals to positive 18. So yung answer natin dito or yung product natin dito ay the same lang doon sa ating dividend. So kapag the same sila, it means tama yung answer natin. Next example, we have 12x raised to 5 minus 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed plus 70x minus 7. So nagdagdag tayo ng 0x squared dito para maiwasan natin yung pagkamali. So divided by 3x squared plus x minus 7. So kapag kulang yung ating exponent, for example dito, x raised to 5, x raised to 4, x cubed, at kapag x na lang ang susunod, kailangan nating lagyan before the x yung x squared. Kahit 0 na lang kasi 0 na din naman yung answer niya. Para maiwasan natin yung pagkakamali. So kapag nalagay na natin dito, pwede na tayong mag-divide. We have 12x raised to 5 divided by 3x squared. Yung first term pa rin yung i-divide is equals to 4x cubed. At yung quotient natin dito ay i-multiply natin sa bawat term ng ating divisor. We have 4x cubed times 3x squared is equals to 12x raised to 5. We have 4x cubed times x is equals to 4x raised to 4. 4x cubed times negative 7, we have negative 28x cubed. Then, subtract. And change the sign of the subtrahend. Our 12x raised to 5 will become negative 12x raised to 5. 4x raised to 4 will become negative 4x raised to 4. Negative 28x cubed will become positive 28x cubed. At yung operation sign natin ay magiging plus. So we have 12x raised to 5 plus negative 12x raised to 5 will become 0 is equals to 0. Negative 2x raised to 4 plus negative 4x is equals to negative 6x raised to 4. 3x cubed plus positive 28x cubed will become positive 31x cubed. Then bring down the next term, which is 0x squared. So sorry for the technical errors. So we have negative 6x raised to 4 divided by 3x squared. We have negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared times 3x squared, we have negative 6x raised to 4. Negative 2x squared times x, we have negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x squared times negative 7 is equal to positive 14x squared. Next, let's subtract and change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative 6x raised to 4 will become positive 6x raised to 4. Negative 2x cubed will become positive 2x cubed. Positive 14x squared will become negative 14x squared. And change the sign of the operation sign. Next, negative 6x raised to 4 plus positive 6x raised to 4 is equals to 0. Positive 31x cubed plus positive 2x cubed is equal to positive 33x cubed. 0x squared plus negative 14x squared is equals to negative 14x squared. Bring down the next term, which is positive 70x. 33x cubed divided by 3x squared is equals to positive 11x. 11x times 3x squared is equals to 33x cubed. 11x times x is equals to positive 11x squared. 11x times negative 7 is equals to negative 77x. Subtract and change the sign of the subtrahend. 33x cubed will become negative 33x cubed. Positive 11x squared will become negative 11x squared. Negative 77 will become positive 77x, and the operation sign will change into plus. 33x cubed plus negative 33x cubed is equals to 0. Negative 14x squared plus negative 11x squared is equals to negative 25x squared. Positive 70x plus positive 77x is equals to 147x, and bring down the last term, which is negative 7. Negative 25x squared divided by 3x squared, yung quotient niya ay magiging fraction. Pwede ding gumamit ng decimal, pero gagamitin natin yung fraction para mas madali. So we have negative 25x squared divided by 3x squared is equals to negative 25x cubed. Next, we have ayan, so finix na natin yung ating answer. So negative 25 over 3 times 3x squared is equals to negative 25x squared. Negative 25 over 3 times x is equals to negative 25 over 3x. Negative 25 over 3 times negative 7 is equals to positive 175 over 3. And subtract and change the sign of the subtrahend. Negative 25x squared will become positive 25x squared. Negative 25 over 3x will become positive 25 over 3x. Then the positive 175 over 3 will become negative 175 over 3, and the operation sign will change into addition. We have negative 25x squared plus positive 25x squared is equals to 0. 147x plus positive 25 over 3x. So, dito naman, mag-a-add tayo ng fraction. So, 147x plus 25 over 3x, automatic 147 or yung mga whole number natin ay may 1 na denominator. So, first ay maghahanap tayo ng kanilang LCD, which is 3. Yung 3 na LCD natin dito, i-divide natin sa denominator ni 1. 3 divided by 1 is equals to 3 times the numerator is which is 147 is equals to 441x. Next, we have 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 times 25. The numerator is equals to 25x. So, kapag the same na yung denominator nila, pwede na tayong mag-add. So, 441x plus 25x is equal to 466 over 3x. So, yung 466 natin, ilagay na natin dito, over 3x. Next, we have negative 7 plus negative 175 over 3. So, the same lang dito sa nauna, mag-a-add tayo ng fraction. Yung negative 7 na whole number natin ay automatic na may 1 na denominator. Let's find their LCD, which is 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal 3 divided by 1 rather is equals to 3 times negative 7 is equals to negative 21. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 times negative 175 is equals to negative 175. So negative 21 plus negative 175 is equal to negative 196 over 3. So ito na. So, yung ating exponent ng x natin dito is 1 and mas mababa na siya kasi sa ating divisor. So, hindi na natin siya pwedeng ma-divide at yung 466 over 3x minus 196 over 3 natin ay yung ating remainder. So, yung pagsulat ng ating final answer, we have 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 11x minus 25 over 3 plus the remainder, which is 466 over 3x minus 196 over 3 over the divisor, 3x squared plus x minus 7. So this will be our final answer. So to check if our final answer is correct, gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, let's multiply the quotient and the remainder or the remainder rather plus the remainder ay with the quotient times the divisor or the denominator rather plus the numerator which is the remainder. So we have 4x cubed times 3x squared. We have 12x raised to 5. 4x cubed times x, we have 4x raised to 4. 4x cubed times negative 7, we have negative 28x cubed. Negative 2x squared times 3x squared, we have negative 6x raised to 4. Negative 2x squared times x is equal to negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x squared times negative 7 is equals to positive 14x squared. 11x times 3x squared is equals to 33x cubed. 11x times x is equals to 11x squared. 11x times negative 7 is equals to negative 77x. Next, the fraction. Kapag multiply tayo ng fraction, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, negative 25 over 3 times 3x squared, we have negative 25x squared. So, paano? 25 times 3 is equals to 75. So, pwede natin siyang ma-divide sa 3. So, 75 divided by 3 is equals to 25. Then, our sign, negative times positive is equals to negative. Then, copy the variable and exponent. Next, negative 25 over 3 times x is equals to negative 25 over 3x. Negative 25 over 3 times negative 7 is equals to positive 175 over 3. Plus the remainder, which is 466 over 3x minus 196 over 3. The next step, we will combine the like terms. So we have 12x raised to 5. Wala naman siyang like term, so isusulat na lang natin siya. We have 12x raised to 5. 4x raised to 4 plus negative 6x raised to 4 is equals to negative 2x raised to 4. Negative 28x cubed plus negative 2x cubed. We have negative 30x cubed plus 33x cubed is equals to positive 3x cubed. Next, 14x squared plus 11x squared. We have 25x squared. 25x squared minus 25x squared is equals to 0. So, hindi na natin siya isusulat. So, pwede din siyang 0x squared dito. Next, we have 77x or negative 77x rather plus negative 25 over 3x plus 466 over 3x. So, yung dalawang term natin dito is fraction. So, we have here negative 77 over 1x minus 25 over 3x plus 466 over 3x. So, hahanapin natin yung kanilang LCD, which is 3. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 times negative 77 is equal to negative 231x. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1 times negative 25 is equals to negative 25x. 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1 times the numerator or 466 is equals to 466x. So kapag the same na yung kanilang denominator, pwede na nating ma-add and ma-subtract yung numerator. So negative 231x minus 25x is equals to 256 plus 466x. We have 210 over 3x is equals to 70. Pwede na natin siya ma-divide. 210 divided by 3 is equals to 70x. So, susulat natin dito yung 70x. Next, we have 175 over 3 plus negative 196 over 3. Since the same naman sila ng denominator, pwede lang natin sila what do you call this? Pwede natin silang ma-divide, ma-subtract. And we have negative 21 over 3. Negative 21 over 3 is equals to negative 7. So we have here negative 7. So the same lang yung answer natin doon sa dividend natin kanina. So we have last number here. We have 8x raised to 5 minus 6x raised to 4 minus 11x cubed plus 3x squared plus 17x plus 15 divided by 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So, gaya ng mga ginawa natin kanina, the first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor. 8x raised to 5 divided by 2x cubed is equals to 4x squared. 4x squared, i-multiply natin sa lahat ng term ng divisor. 4x squared times 2x cubed is equals to 8x raised to 5. 4x squared times 3 is equals to 12x raised to 4. 4x cubed times 5x is equals to 20x cubed. 4x times negative 2 is equals to negative 8x squared. Then subtract. We have 8x raised to 5. Mag-change yung sign ng ating subtrahend. 8x raised to 5 will become negative 8x raised to 5. 12x raised to 4 will become negative 12x raised to 4. Positive 20x cubed will become negative 20x cubed. Negative 8x squared will become positive 8x squared. Then change the operation sign and it will become plus or addition. 8x raised to 5 plus negative 8x raised to 5 is equals to 0. negative 6x raised to 4 plus negative 12x raised to 4 is equals to negative 18x raised to 4. Negative 11x cubed plus negative 20x cubed. We have negative 31x cubed. 3x squared plus 8x squared is equals to 11x squared. Bring down the next term, which is the 17x, and then divide. Negative 18x raised to 4 divided by 2x cubed will become negative 9x. Negative 9x times 2x cubed, we have negative 18x raised to 4. Negative 9 times 3x squared is equals to negative 27x cubed. Negative 9x times 5x, we have negative 45x squared. Negative 9x times 2 is equals to positive 18x. Then subtract and change the sign of the subtrahend. We have negative 18x raised to 4 will become positive 18x raised to 4. Negative 27x cubed will become positive 27x cubed. Negative 45x squared will become positive 45x squared. 18x will become negative 18x, and the operation sign will change into addition or plus. Negative 18x raised to 4 plus positive 18x raised to 4 is equals to 0. Negative 31x cubed plus positive 27x cubed is equal to negative 4x cubed. 11x squared plus 45x squared is equals to 56x squared. Positive 17x plus negative 18x is equal to negative x. Then bring down the next term, which is positive 15. Then divide. Negative 4x cubed divided by 2x cubed is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 times 2x cubed is equal to negative 4x cubed. Negative 2 times 3x squared is equal to negative 6x squared. Negative 2 times 5x is equals to negative 10x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4. Then subtract and change the sign of the subtrahend. 4x cubed or negative 4x cubed rather ay magiging positive 4x cubed. Negative 6x squared ay magiging positive 6x squared. Negative 10x ay magiging positive 10x. And the positive 4 will become negative 4. Change your sign of the subtrahend. Next is negative 4x cubed plus positive 4x cubed is equals to 0. 56x squared plus positive 6x squared is equals to 62x squared. Negative x plus positive 10x is equals to positive 9x. And 15 plus negative 4 is equal to positive 11. So, hindi na natin siya pwedeng ma-divide kasi mas mababa na yung exponent ng ating dividend kaysa sa ating divisor. So, this will be our quotient and this will be our remainder. So, sa pagsulat ng ating final answer, we have 4x squared minus 9x minus 2 plus the remainder, which is 62x squared plus 9x plus 11 over the divisor, which is 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So, this will be our final answer. So, to check if our final answer is correct, again, let's multiply 4x squared minus 9x minus 2 to the denominator, which is 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 plus the remainder or the numerator, which is 62x squared plus 9x plus 11. So we have 4x squared times 2x cubed. We have 8x raised to 5. 4x squared times 3x cubed, we have 12x raised to 4. 4x squared times 5x, we have 20x cubed. 4x squared times negative 2 is equals to negative 8x squared. Negative 9x times 2x squared, we have negative 18x raised to 4. Negative 9x times positive 3x squared, we have negative 27x cubed. Negative 9x times positive 5x, we have negative 45x squared. Negative 9x times negative 2 is equals to positive 18x. Next, negative 2 times 2x cubed, we have positive negative 4x cubed. Negative 2 times 3x squared is equals to negative 6x squared. Negative 2 times positive 5x equals to negative 10x. Negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to positive 4 plus 62x squared plus 9x plus 11. Then let's combine the like terms. We have 8x raised to 5, 12x raised to 4, plus negative 18x raised to 4. We have negative 6x raised to 4. 20x cubed plus negative 27x cubed. We have negative 7x cubed plus negative 14x cubed. We have negative 11x cubed. Next, we have negative 8x squared plus negative 45x squared is equal to negative 53x squared times negative 6x squared. We have negative 59x squared. Negative 59x squared plus 62x squared, we have positive 3x squared. Next, we have 18x plus negative 10x is equals to 8x. 8x plus 9x is equals to 17x. And we have 4 plus 11 is equals to positive 15. So, the same lang yung ating answer dito doon sa ating dividend. It means our final answer is correct.